Have you ever turned off the light, settled into your favorite side, and felt your mind switch on, replaying old worries, tomorrow's lists, and what-ifs? If you have whispered, please, just one full night. You are not alone. After 50, sleep can change, hormones shift, aches visit 3 a.m., and tiny habits suddenly matter. The hopeful truth is simple. Your body still remembers how to sleep deeply. It only needs clear, gentle signals, repeated in the same order each night. Tonight, I will guide you through 3 relaxing rituals that tell your brain, you are safe, the day is done. Then I will add 4 optional boosters that make those rituals even more powerful. No pills, no pressure, just kindness, rhythm, and a plan you can begin tonight. Take 1 slow breath with me, in for 4, pause, out for 6. Let us make your nights softer and your mornings brighter. Point 1, the 90-minute wind-down window. Core ritual number 1. Why it works. In plain English, think of your nervous system as a dimmer switch, not a light switch. It needs time to glide from day mode, solving, reacting, remembering, to night mode, repairing tissue, cleaning waste, organizing memories. A 90-minute wind-down provides your brain with repeated reassurance. We are safe. We are home. We can let go. How to do it? The repeatable sequence. T 90 minutes. Announce the end of the day. Dim lamps. Reduce screen brightness. Switch devices to do not disturb. Choose 1 calm playlist that you will use every night. Your brain learns to associate the sound with evening. T 75. Gentle put away. Fold towels. Lay out tomorrow's clothes. Water a plant and set the kettle for morning. Finish the last email. Close the laptop. T60, quiet hobby time. A puzzle, knitting, adult coloring, family photos, or a low-volume documentary with subtitles. Keep it pleasant, not gripping. T30, bathroom unhurried. Brush, floss, moisturize, and change into sleepwear slowly. Prepare herbal tea, chamomile, lemon balm, or peppermint. T15, bedroom entry. The room is cool, dark, and quiet. Read 1 calm page. The phone sleeps in another room. Light becomes low and warm. Story, Tom, Ohio. 67 Tom ended nights with the news and woke replaying headlines. He set an 8:30 p.m. wind-down chime, wrote a tiny landing list for tomorrow, dimmed lamps, and charged his phone in the hallway. 2 weeks later, his time to sleep dropped from 90 minutes to about 20, and his 3 a.m. wake-ups halved. Not perfect, predictable, and his body loved it. Blockers and kind fixes. Scrolling loop. Move your charger out of the bedroom. Keep a pocket notebook bedside for last-minute thoughts. Late chores. Choose a kitchen close time. Clean enough is enough. Noisy home. Agree on a household quiet hour after 9 p.m. Soft earplugs or low white noise can help. Local flavor cues. U.S. Smooth jazz or a gentle audiobook chapter. UK. Set tomorrow's cup of tray, mug, tea bag, spoon ready. Australia. Sit outside at dusk. Notice the sky dim and a magpie settle. The day exits your body. Point 2. The warmth and calm routine, core ritual number 2. Why it works. Warmth loosens tight muscles and widens blood vessels. As your body gently cools after exposure to warm water or a heat pack, your brain receives a natural sleep time message. Pairing warmth with gratitude or reflection helps lower stress levels and settle the mood. Build your version. Pick 2 or 3. Warm rinse or brief bath. 8 to 12 minutes comfortable, never scalding. Lotion ritual. Slow circles with lavender or unscented lotion on calves, knees, hands, and feet. Quietly thank them for carrying you. Heat at the feet. Use a heated wheat bag or warm socks for 10 minutes while reading. 3-line gratitude. Today I appreciate it. I handled. I look forward to. 1 lights out song. The same calm track becomes your nightly cue. Story, Margaret, Yorkshire. 72 stiffness made Margaret fidget. She added a 9 p.m. warm shower, then applied lotion around her ankles with gentle circles. Wrapped in a shawl, she wrote 3 tiny gratitudes. The robin, a kind neighbor, perfectly brown toast. 10 days later, she said, bedtime feels soft again. Safety, simply stated. Neuropathy, Test water with your forearm, not your feet. Night sweats. Keep warm. Let the room stay cool. Scent sensitivity. Go unscented. The massage is the medicine. Microcom add-ons. Cup hold. Place both hands around a warm mug for 60 seconds. Feel your palms relax. Release phrase, whisper. Day is done. Body is safe. Small words. Strong signal. Point 3. The breathing bridge, core ritual number 3. Why it works. Lengthened exhales flip your vagus nerve. The body's relax switch. Heart rate eases, muscles relax. Thoughts unwind. Simple pattern, do this nightly. 1 hand on chest, 1 on belly. Inhale 4, nose. Pause 1, exhale 6, mouth, soft sigh. 10 rounds at lights out. If you wake at 2 to 3 a.m., do 4 to 6 rounds. Story, Nora, Melbourne. 65, Nora woke at 2 o'clock with racing thoughts. She paired breath with 2 words. In calm, out peace. Most nights, she is asleep by around 8. If she wakes, she floats back down without getting up. If thoughts keep chatting. Name and park, bills parked. Grandkids plan parked. Imagine placing each thought in a small box on a shelf. Counting anchor. In 1 out 2, up to 10, begin again. Heavier eyelids image. Picture warm sand resting on your eyelids. They surrender first, then the jaw, then the shoulders. Comfort check. Quick posture help. Back sleepers. Place a small pillow under your knees. Side sleepers. Place a pillow between your knees and another to hug. Comfort is chemistry. Safety signals deepen sleep. Point 4. Evening plate and timing. Optional booster number 1. Why it helps. A heavy, late dinner or sugary dessert can fragment sleep. Too light. Too early can wake you at 2 a.m. Aim for light to moderate and earlier. Gentle template. Timing. Finish dinner 3 to 4 hours before bed. Portion. Palm-sized protein plus colorful veg plus a little whole grain. Examples. U.S. Baked salmon, green beans, and a small sweet potato. UK. Beans on wholemeal toast, side salad, sprinkle of seeds. Australia. Veggie omelet with spinach and mushrooms, accompanied by a small slice of grainy bread. If you genuinely need a snack, plain yogurt, a few almonds, or half a banana, then rinse your mouth, dim the lights, and return to calm. Story, Denise, Vermont. 70 Denise loved 9:30 ice cream. She shifted to a 7:15 post-dinner stroll, then herbal tea at 9. Her 1 a.m. wake-ups faded in a week. The treat moved to afternoons. Evenings stayed quiet. Kind reminders about drinks. Caffeine can linger 6 to 10 hours. Keep it to morning or early afternoon. Alcohol may make you sleepy, but breaks deep sleep. Shrink the amount and move it earlier or go alcohol-free on weeknights. Point 5. The morning light loop, optional booster number 2. Why it helps. Daylight anchors your body clock. 10 to 20 minutes of morning light tells your brain, it is day, so melatonin knows when to rise at night. How to do it. Within an hour waking. Face daylight. Garden, porch, balcony, or a bright window if the weather insists. Pair with a gentle habit. Tea on the step, watering plants, or a dog walk. Cloudy? Go anyway. Cloud soften, not cancel. The signal. Story. Aled, Cardiff. 73 Aled began a street corner loop. 10 minutes to the post box and back after breakfast. By week 2, he was sleeping in until 10:15 and waking up around 6:30 without an alarm. Rhythm restored. Point 6. Bedroom tune-up, optional booster number 3. Why it helps. Your room can quietly sabotage or strengthen sleep cues. Quick audit. Cool. A cooler room with a warm body is ideal. Layer blankets you can peel back. Dark. Blackout curtains or an eye mask. Even tiny light can wake the brain. Quiet. Use soft earplugs or low white noise to smooth out sudden sounds. Air. Brief evening air out or fresh filter on a fan. Surfaces. If your hips or shoulders ache nightly, try using a topper or adjusting your pillows. Comfort opens a door, a deep sleep. Story. Rue, Seattle. 69 Rue swapped a bright bedside bulb for a low amber light, added an eye mask, and cracked open a window for 15 minutes before bed. She said, my room now tells me to exhale. Point 7. The 2-minute mobility melt, optional booster number 4. Why it helps. Gentle movement greases stiff joints, drains ankle fluid, and sends a nervous system message. Day complete. Do this once after your bathroom routine. Calf pumps. 30 seconds rise on the toes, lower slowly. Shoulder rolls. 30 seconds 10 forward, 10 back. Seated twist. 30 seconds hands on knees. Rotate gently right then left. Next side drops. 30 seconds ear toward shoulder. No forcing, just the head's weight. Finish with 1 slow breath. In 4, hold 1, out 6. Story, Ben, Bristol, 66 Ben's legs buzz at bedtime. The mobility melt, combined with warm socks, transformed electric legs into heavy and sleepy within a week. Putting it all together, your calm night plan. Evening flow. Wind down window. 90 minutes dim the lights. Perform light tasks. Engage in a quiet hobby. Complete a bathroom routine. Savor herbal tea and read 1 calm page. Warmth and calm. 15 to 20 minutes warm rinse. Lotion or warm feet. 3-line gratitude, 1 lights out song. Breathing bridge. 3 to 5 minutes, 10 rounds of 4-1-6 breathing. Repeat if you wake. Booster number 1. Dinner finished 3 to 4 hours before bed. Gentle on the stomach. Booster number 2. Next morning, 10 to 20 minutes of daylight. Booster number 3. Cool, dark, quiet room. Comfy pillows. Booster number 4. 2-minute mobility melt for stiffness. If you wake in the night, stay low and slow. 1 sip of water. No bright lights. No phone. 4 to 6 rounds of the breathing bridge. Name and park intrusive thoughts. Return to counting or in calm. Out peace. Adjust pillows first. Comfort lowers arousal faster than willpower. 10-night gentle reset. Tiny steps, big wins. Nights 1 to 2. Choose 1 core ritual and perform it the same way on both nights. Nights 3 to 4. Add a 2nd core ritual. Keep the order. Nights 5 to 6. Add the 3rd core ritual. Notice your earliest yawn time. Night 7. Layer 1 booster, your best match. Nights 8 to 9. Keep everything steady. Same cues, same lamp, same song. Night 10. Review. Faster drift off. Fewer wake-ups. Softer morning mood. Celebrate the tiniest win. Troubleshooting corner, gentle, practical. Nighttime bathroom trips. Stop fluids 2 hours before bed. A calm sip is okay. Sit up and stand every hour in the evening to help move ankle fluid upward. Reflux. Elevate the head of the bed slightly. Avoid lying flat immediately after dinner. Opt for gentler evening meals. Restless leg syndrome. Try the mobility melt, warm feet, and the breathing bridge. Keep caffeine strictly to the morning. Worry spikes at bedtime. Keep a parking pad on the nightstand. 2 lines only. Tomorrow call Sarah, pay gas bill. Close it. You have respected the thought. Travel or jet lag. Keep the order of rituals on the road. Seek morning light at the destination. Avoid heavy late dinners. Breathing bridge still works in unfamiliar beds. Mythbusters, kind truths. If I wake at 3 a.m., the night is ruined. Not true. 2 brief wake-ups can be regular. The goal is to return to calm. I need exactly 8 hours. There's a range. Many older adults feel well with 7 to 8 hours of sleep if the depth and rhythm are steady. I must empty my mind to sleep. Minds do not empty on command. We anchor breath counting or a soft phrase. Stories of change, small wins. Tom learned that predictable cues beat trying harder. Margaret turned lotion time into a nightly thank you to her legs. Nora rides her breathing bridge back to shore at 2 a.m. Aled treats morning light like timing medicine. Ruth made darkness and cool air her quietest lullabies. Ben found that 2 minutes of movement can help a restless body fall asleep. If snoring is loud, breathing pauses are noticeable, or you wake gasping, speak with your clinician. Simple treatments can significantly improve your sleep. If you take evening medications, ask your pharmacist if timing adjustments may be beneficial. This is not about perfection. It is about offering your body the same quiet signals at roughly the exact times. The body loves rhythm more than rules. Which ritual feels easiest to start tonight? The 90-minute wind down, the warmth and calm, or the breathing bridge? Notice the first small win, a softer jaw, fewer wake-ups, a kinder morning mood. Celebrate it and repeat tomorrow. That is how deep sleep returns. Kindly, steadily, one evening at a time. If this spoke to you, please subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a gentler night. Moreover, tell us in the comments, which step will you try first, and what does a peaceful night look like for you? May your room be cool, your breath be slow, and your heart feel safe. Good night.